Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how you can install the ComfyUI Manager on the ComfyUI. So this is the URL of ComfyUI. I will provide you the link in the video description. I already have ComfyUI installed here, and this is for Windows, and there are two batch files, run CPU and run NVIDIA GPU.bat. So we are going to install the ComfyUI Manager in my Windows machine. The installation process is very simple. You need to copy this file into the ComfyUI custom nodes. So there are many ways to do this. In fact, there are two ways. Either you can use the Git to install it, then you can manually download the manually download the source code and put inside the ComfyUI / custom nodes directory. We can simply download the file like this, download zip. Now copy this downloaded file into the ComfyUI / nodes custom nodes directory, paste the downloaded file and extract this. So make sure that the new directory is, and under this directory you have the files like this. We can delete this file. Now go to the ComfyUI directory and run NVIDIA GPU.bat or run CPU.bat if you are using the CPU. So just run it and it should start. Now you can see it is installing the dependency of ComfyUI Manager. So let's wait for some time, and depending on the speed of your computer, it may take few minutes. Now we can access the UI on this port 8188, and here you will see the manager link. So this is going to install the packages and help you in working with the ComfyUI. So with this UI, we will be able to install the different components very easily, and go back and click on close. So it's going to close. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.